Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day, everyone. We just want to show you the problem we have chosen that we want to solve. So, why is this the one we should choose?
Because it can be obstacle for students and teachers it going to their respective classroom and faculty.
This kind of path can cause unexpected incidents, such as getting your clothes dirty and sleeping.
We want to resolve this so that teachers, students, and those working at the school will not have a hard time.
To prevent possible incident, this should be addressed immediately.
Here are some solutions that can implemented to prevent from beginning mud.
Such as paving the road,
Lay asphalt or cement on the road to make it sturdy and not muddy.
also by placing gravel or rocks.
Lay gravel or large rock on the road to make it stable and less muddy.
By placing a plank or placing a mud bug mats.
Lay wooden planks or mud bug mats on the road for those students and teachers can cross without difficulty.
This way, students and teachers will no longer have to struggle through the mud to get to their classrooms and faculties. They no longer have to worry about getting their clothes dirty or sleeping.